Beautiful set of people, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start running your e-commerce online. Get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is Zion Hub Logistics Limited. So what you want to do to join our community, to smash that subscription bell, like it, and also comment and also share it to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to. So in a very quick one, in today's tutorial we are going to be looking at how you can run your YouTube adverts, right, via YouTube, maybe via your YouTube studio. Okay, this is quite different from Google Adverts. I've recorded a video on how you can also do how you can run Google Adverts from A to Z, but now this is YouTube Adverts. So I've recorded one after the other, is a step at a time, the things you need to know, the type of card they support, right, and how you can make the payments, the video, everything is in segments, right? So watch the video to the very end. Okay, make sure you don't skip any part of it because I take my time to do a detailed video, right? Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of seeing a content like this is the voice of Zion Hub Logistics Limited. So in a very quick one, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can run a YouTube advert. All right, YouTube adverts. We have different sorts of YouTube adverts when YouTube advert is concerned, right? So you can either run adverts through what's it called, through Google Ads, but this is my YouTube studio. This is YouTube directly. So I'm going to be sharing how you can run the adverts directly inside your YouTube studio. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to come under this your YouTube studio here, then you go to content, right? So once you go to content here, you will see this, right? All your content, all your video will pops up, and once it pops up, what you want to do is to look for where you have promotions, right? You can see promotion here, which is the last button showing at this side of the screen. So you click on promotions. So once you click on promotions, you will see this. You can either promote your YouTube channel directly, right, or you promote your videos. So what you want to do in this case is to click on here. You can see here they said promote your channel and business on YouTube. So they want you to also promote your business, whatever it is you are doing. So you want to click on get started here. So once you click on get started, this new page will pops up, and once it pops up, it's going to ask you for the AdSense and the details of the channel. So let's wait for this guy to pop up. So this is what you should have, although it might take time before it brings you to this page. So what you want to do now is to do what? Choose your Google Ads account. This is the account connected to my Google Ads. So if you also want to change it, you can use create new account, right? So now the next thing you will do is to click on next. Okay, I'm using this Google AdSense, so you click on next. So your main goal while you are running the advert, we have three categories. This first one, maybe you want more subscriptions or more video views, right? You can get this first one, and the second one is for views. You want views on your videos while you are promoting it, you can use this one. But if you want website visits, so this third one is what I think I'm going to be going for, because I want people to visit my website. So I'm going to be using my WhatsApp URL. So once they click on the advert, it will take them to my WhatsApp directly. So I'm going to select this last option here, then I'm going to click on next, right? So once I click on next, it will take me to this new page. It says which video do you want to promote. So here you get to select the video from your channel. So what you want to do is to click on add, right? So I'm going to click on add here. Once I click on add, it will load this page, right? So once it loads this page, these are the videos on my channel already. So this is the video I wanted to promote. So I'm going to click on the video. Once I click on the video, it will load out the video itself, right? Then my landing page will be where I want the people to message me, maybe my website. So I'm just going to come to WhatsApp here, and I'm going to do what? Let me look for this. So I'm going to do let me say, okay, WhatsApp short linker, right? So I'm going to create this. So I'm just going to input my number and create the default message, the YouTube channel here. Once you input it there, the next thing to do is to click on next. So you click on next. After clicking on next, you see here the countries to target. So I'm going to limit my audience to Nigeria. So let me cancel Ghana, let me cancel UK, let me cancel Hong Kong. I want people to only see these adverts in Nigeria. So you can also choose the language that you want them to you want YouTube to do for you. So if you just click on this drop down arrow here, then scroll down a little bit and fill in the language, right? So you can select any language, right? So once you are done, you want to click on next. So clicking on next will takes you to where you want to input your budget. So as at for me, I'm going to be spending a very small money, which is let me say $3, and I want this advert to end for, let me say I'm running it for, okay, so I want this advert to run for, today is 26, I just only want it to run for just 3 days. Let me say 3 days, right? So my budget is $3 for 3 days. That's $1 for each day. So I'm going to click on promote here. So once I click on promote, it's going to take me to where I'm going to be making my payment. Of course, we all know that. We are going to pay for this. Okay, so you can see now that is on pending. Is on pending right now. So they are going to check the video, and after like maybe few days, after like few hours, they are going to do what? They are going to promote your video directly. So your video will start getting views and people will start messaging you. So you can come ahead of the approval. You can just edit it. You can come back to edit it here, right? So this is how to run YouTube adverts directly. So I'm going to wait for them to approve this Facebook YouTube advert. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Bye.